Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of a Naked Tutorial. I'm Yong from Sgaudiohive. Okay, so if you haven't already, please support us by subscribing to our channel. I will be releasing PDF with all the popular pinouts for IEMs and headphones when we reach 1000 subscribers. Just 1000, we are not far away. Currently we are at 560, about there. Yeah, so please subscribe to us if you want to support us, and we'll do our best to give back as much as possible to everyone. Okay, so for today we will be going past the USB-C, and we will be talking about the lightning cable. Actually not talking about, we will be modifying the lightning cable. This is a very old earpod cable, but the driver has some issues, so we have cut off the driver, and we are left with the wire itself. The whole length is about 1.2 meters. That's about 4 feet. We will be doing a aux cable of about 90 centimeters. That is to the Y split. So all we need to do is we have to cut off from there. So if you want to use this as a 2-pin or MMCX or any other pin cable, you can just cut off the ends and solder on your favorite connector on it. But this is old. The skin, the insulation is tacky, a bit sticky, so we will be doing the external. So I've cut it to 90 centimeters. That's what we can do. Okay, very simple. We will be installing a 3.5mm jack here, so that it will act as an auxiliary cable from your device to any output that might be useful. So and at the same time we will be adding better insulation. Not really, we'll be doing a sleeving up of this cable to make it actually last longer. What do we have here? We have the paracord. These are nylon cords. So about 90 centimeters of length. We will cut them off. Okay, so as you can see the inner core, any shoelace of appropriate size will do. We'll remove the inner core. Oh, but you must make sure that they have an inner core, so that when you take it out, it is hollow and empty. Some shoelace or other, even some paracords, they are not in this configuration. Okay, so we burn the ends for the nylon to heat up. So you can slowly thread it in just by pulling them in. Okay, let's try to focus. And you'll find that they will get stuck eventually. So it gets stuck about here. So what we have to do is pinch the part that is stuck. So and the part just maybe 1 inch away, and let go of the inner wire. So pinch it lightly so that you're only handling the sleeving itself, like this. So I'm only touching the sleeving, and you can see that the center compressed. Once it compresses, you can pull it out, and we'll do this. It's like a worm, a way a worm works. Okay, very simple. Let me show you again. Pinch lightly on the cloth itself. The inner, if you pinch hard, you'll feel the inner wire. So we do not want to pinch on the inner wire, then we cannot push. We want to just pinch slightly on the cloth and push from this hand, and you can see there's a compression. You will feel the wire moving. So let's do this for the whole length. Okay, so we have reached the end. Let us try to fit this over this shrink relief. Alright, it's done. Okay, first we will finish this part of the connector. So we will be adding a heat shrink over here, one layer at the bottom with a glue, another layer at the top with glue also. So we'll finish the bottom first. I'll be using a black heat shrink. And a clear one for the glue. So we'll cut a bit of the length. Okay, if you don't want to go all the way through here, you can go through the front by just expanding the heat shrink like now. So this is the part that we want to glue down. We will cut some of our hot glue. So we heat them up. We'll remove the excess once the thing cools down. Okay, so right now we'll add another layer on here, the length. Let's get it correct. And we'll install it over here. Okay, we'll wait for everything to cool down and we'll remove the excess later in the end. Okay, so let's go all the way to the other side. Okay, as you can see, the wires are inside. We'll try to cut off the sleeving. Okay, so we expose the inner part of the wire. Okay, first thing first, let's burn the nylon sleeve for a while. Don't let it fray. And let's remove the outer insulation. Okay, there's a few wires here. So we can see the copper green. This is supposedly the left ground, left. This is red, the right ground, and this is for the mic. And we have a center piece. That's for the strength. So this is for the mic. So what we will do here, we will remove the mic wires. And then we'll short the two ground wire together, and at the same time we will tin the left and the right and install a 3.5mm jack. Let's tin them. so we will put in the casing first. This is a used jack, so it's for the purpose of the video. Okay. We'll solder the ground, left and right channel. Okay, so if you haven't already, we have already done the jack retermination video right at the start of our channel. That's our first video. I'll be putting the link up here. You can refer to that for basic jack replacement, soldering, the pinout, and some explanation. Okay. Otherwise, we'll continue with this video as if you know the steps already. Okay. We'll pull the sleeving right up to the end and we'll clamp it down here, together with the jack itself. We'll install the heat shrink. Not forgetting the glue. Close up the barrel. And finally, since the whole cable is black now, why not make the jack black again? So we'll do that with another layer of heat shrink. And that's it. That's how you salvage your old ear pods. Not forgetting to remove the glue. That's how you salvage your old ear pods or any certified, MFI certified cable into aux wire. That is all for today. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe. Like I said at the start of the video, if we reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be releasing the PDF guide on all the pinouts of popular IEMs or headphone pin, or even the jack and all the sources. We'll do our best to cover as much as possible. So do subscribe. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.